Hi, morning everybody. Hi. Morning. Hey, morning teachers. How are you? How are you, miss? Good, thank you, teachers. All the teachers are in? Yes? Okay. Because I'm a good teacher. Okay? So now, coming back to your second question. What is your second question? Come on. How to enter the classroom. I mean, I will not boost myself. I don't like to act. And then we may, उसके बाद हमको गुस्सा आ जाता. Why are you not participating? क्या हो गया? मुँह को फुला के रखे. इधर यहाँ पे अपना ही पूरी बने से है. Right? बच्चों का भी वही होता. It's energy. Teacher always or we human always carry energy. हम जो एनर्जी देते वही एनर्जी अपने पास आता है. It is always good that we carry the best energy. And this can change for any other profession. वो IT वाला मुंह फुला के है तो भी चलता क्योंकि वो कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठता. इसका तो मुंह भी नहीं रहता बेचारे का. ओके. एक डॉक्टर है समझो, एक मरीज को देख रहा समझो, उन्हें मुंह फुला के तो भी चलता क्योंकि वो बेचारा बेहोश ही रहता जब देखो तब. उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता. एक इंजीनियर है समझो, मुंह फुला के समझो चलता. उन्हें किस पे काम कर रहा? सीमेंट से बात नहीं करता और मट्टी से बात नहीं करता. लेकिन एक टीचर प्रोफेशन कैसा है बोले तो अपन इमीडिएटली एक इंसान को देख रहे हैं, उसका एनर्जी दे रहे, उसका एनर्जी ले रहे अपन. तो जब when we are giving good energy, we are giving them positive energy, we also get the same energy from them. और आप जितना पॉजिटिव एनर्जी लेते जाएंगे you will be more shining actually. हमारा शाइन बढ़ता, बच्चों का नहीं होता. You see, you can differentiate बाहर क्राउड में भी. If you see a teacher and if you see other professions, मालूम पड़ जाता आप टीचर है बोल के. कितनी बार आप लोग ट्रैवल करते सब जने डायरेक्टली पूछेंगे मैडम आप टीचर है क्या बोल के पूछे. राइट? Get it? Right? They will just recognize you like that. That is the aura we carry actually as a teachers. So always see that आप जब भी जितना भी energy दे रहे, that is actually enhancing your energy, your aura. So it is always beautiful to be a big smile. And जो भी baggages है, just वहाँ से खत्म. उसको कट हो जाना पीछे से, पीठ के पीछे से नहीं आना अंदर. Of course, उसको फिर से लेना है. जैसे अपने बच्चे स्कूल खत्म होते क्या करते बच्चे? बैग डाल लेते ना. और आपका बैगेज सब आप डाल के लेके जाओ अपने घर में. Yes.
Actually, I want to ask you. One of my students, if he's an hyperactive student.
Right.
Today, early in the morning, his mood is not nice.
Yes.
From the home, when
Right.
he's traveling now,
Yes.
when he enter my class, his mood is not quite good.
Right.
So what should I do to make?
तो घर से अगर ऐसे बच्चे आ रहे तो first thing is their ecosystem at home is not so good. उनके पेरेंट्स को तो पहले से एक तो जब पेरेंट्स टीचर मीटिंग होता ना, पेरेंट्स को क्लास लो आप लोग उस टाइम पे. बच्चों को कुछ मत करो क्योंकि दे आर जस्ट कैरिंग देयर होम एनर्जी. राइट? एंड आजकल अपना एक नया प्रॉब्लम है कि वी हैव अ हाइपर स्टूडेंट्स, ADHD kind of a thing, autistic, all these kind of students. So these students are a new challenge for our society and classroom on a whole. इसको कैसे करेक्ट करना? That's really very good question. Lot of schools and teachers ask me this question. Because normal बच्चों को हम समझा सकते हैं, गुस्सा कर सकते हैं, बोल सकते हैं या सुन सकते हैं. ये लोग अपनी बात भी नहीं सुनते क्योंकि we have a problem with the eye contact. They don't give us an eye contact. Right? So that's a problem. So such actually, first thing is our schools are meant for a normal child. However, आज के डेट में we have to take this kind of students in our classroom. So immediately we are not trained to actually correct those students because for them there is a different curriculum, there is a different schools altogether. बट आजकल के पेरेंट्स क्या कर रहे हैं, या वो स्कूल्स भी क्या बोल रहे हैं कि आप ऐसे नॉर्मल स्कूल में डालो, थोड़े दिन बच्चा ठीक हो जाता, बट इट टेक्स टाइम. Okay, now one, you can involve them like this, as we have involved a smiley activity, this kind of a physical activity. So आते ही ऐसे बच्चों को आप बिठा दिए ना, as it is they are very hyper. They have extra energy than the normal child anytime. If you see all ADHD students, dyslexia students or autistic students, they are more on their physical energy, less on their mental energy. So the best remedy would be उनको ग्राउंड में पहले लेके जाओ, ask them to run 10 rounds. उनके साथ अपने बच्चों को भी भगाओ, कुछ नहीं होता है, 5 मिनट आपका, अभी मेरा 10-15 मिनट वेस्ट हुआ, बट आई एम श्योर द एनर्जी दैट वी हैव गेन्ड नाउ विल कंटिन्यू टिल आवर इवनिंग सेशन. खत्म नहीं होता वो अपना एनर्जी, मूड ऑफ नहीं होता, एंड विल बी फिजिकली, मेंटली एंड मॉरली एंड स्पिरिचुअली विल बी हियर इन दिस क्लासरूम नाउ. Okay, so this is how we have to actually understand how do we really mold them. The best way to mold them is to make them physically active. You can make them run, you can make them jump, you give them, और उनको थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही physical कराइए. When they get exhausted, that extra energy gets, क्योंकि उनके parents उनको खाना भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा खिलाते हैं.
Yes, they eat much.
They eat more, and parents also force them to eat more. Thinking के बेचारा मेरा बच्चा दुबला है, पतला है. Oh, this is all the different challenges. This is a different class, we can later take it up. But first remedy would be make them physically run, jump, swing, dance. You can start your classroom with a beautiful dance activity. एक अच्छे से म्यूजिक लगाओ और उनको 10-15 मिनट पूरी क्लास को डांस कराओ. Remove the benches, हटा दो सब. Yeah, take them in this kind of a hall and give them this dance activity. Okay? Yeah. Any other question? Good question. Read out, ma'am. You are a teacher. You take a mic. सबको सुनाई देना, मैडम नहीं. Everything you know. So we will start with all this your doubts, and उसके बाद whichever is the relevant, we will go with that. Right? Yeah.
कुछ करा सकते हैं वैसे नहीं बच्चों.
उससे हटके क्या पढ़ाना आपको,
क्या करना चाहिए?
Okay, so new methodology of teaching and learning चाहिए आपको. Very good. I'll come back to that later. Okay, that आज का सेशन ही उसके ऊपर है. Very good. Next. Any other questions?
How to write the colors? Student app.
Student app. You are all new teachers, is it?
Earlier it was there, student where we are downloading from Play Store.
Right.
But last year the method was changed, it was not coming.
Before this
And
Oxford
start
area is
updating
there.
That is a different. Now Oxford Educate, right? We have done Educate.
Then use that app. Oxford area we can really use.
They are facing the problem for downloading that app.
Okay.
There is an SBI
Oxford
number.
Yes, yes, ISBN
They are
number.
facing some of the difficulties. They are not able to download that app.
Okay.
That is the main reason.
Fine. So this year what we will do is, Shiv, you take the complete data of the students, send it to the head office. They will create all the students' ID. Bulk ID create कर देते. Then we can give them to the classroom back. So this year, whatever.
Last year they easily use Oxford area.
Right.
Last year they can't.
No, we have changed the app. It is from Arial. It has big. Teachers also face the challenge. Okay. You.
I need to know.
Oh, you face it. Okay, we'll sort that. Not a deal actually. So teachers, what you do is, if you really want your students to browse on Oxford Educate, Mr. Sharan will come to your school. Please give him, I'll ask Sir Kuram sir also to give your students' data to us. And we will send that to head office, and the head office will create that ISBN and they'll activate them on the Oxford Educate app. And unka registration and password, we will give it to you then.
They will not give the data the students. So what is the second reason?
We can actually, आप बच्चों का names and दे दीजिए, हम लोग dummy ID create करके दे देंगे. Not a deal actually, but क्या है, data है तो जिसका app वो लोग खुद ही open कर सकते हैं उनके नाम से. Yes.
What kind of homework will be given to
What kind of a homework you should give to your students? How much you should give? Very good. And what kind of a question? How much homework? Very good. Quality and quantity of the homeworks is very good. Yeah. And
Check the classworks and corrections. Check the class.
वेरी गुड मैडम. मैं आके आपके क्लास में बैठती हूँ मैडम कल से. हाउ टू चेक द क्लास वर्क एंड होमवर्क लेते देखो.
How to correct the book.
Very good madam. Come to other profession. Come to my profession. No correction at all required.
Kind of projects we can give to the students.
Very good, very good. So I'll quickly, shall we start our e-content?
Yes.
How do I go to?
Yeah, madam. Exit you can. Exit. This corner, red color.
Acha, हाँ, okay. Thank you.
Come on, Shana. Red color.
So we'll go to Chrome. One teacher, please come here. Come. Because let us use your account. No, why should I use my account?
She's coming up.
Two books, right? Either Tulips or you're using Wonderbox. Now please come here, ma'am. You only have to operate for us. I'll just be instructing to let teacher do it. Yeah. So go to first teacher's manuals. We will first start with our teacher's manual so that 3/4 of your queries will be answered through it. Yes. Where do you find the teacher's manuals?
And the last?
No.
In the beginning. The beginning. In the beginning.
Click that first page. Yeah, click that page. Where is it? So you have your different teachers' manuals. इसको बड़ा ही रखिए, बढ़ा रखिए. So teachers, I think last time also we mentioned what exactly teacher resource manual आपका कितना information आपको देता है. Did you all read that first 5 pages? How many of you have read that first 5 pages of teachers manuals? You read it. क्या लिखे इसमें first 5 pages में?
Then I started the semester. That time I didn't.
Okay, उसके बाद भूल गए. Oh my God. Okay, teachers. So अभी just expand. Just expand it. Sorry. Once again, this year आपका भी holidays है. I understand. थोड़ा सा बच्चों को आप लोग holiday homework दिए बच्चों को? Yes. हाँ, अभी आपका holiday homework मैं देती. ये आपका teachers manuals. Are you all registered? Every teacher is registered on Oxford Educate?
Yes.
किस के पास अभी भी Oxford Educate नहीं है? Please hands up. Every one of you have it? Very good. So go home. If you don't have your physical manual copy, you take this soft copy, and then please read out what does your lesson plan structure is about. Okay? Because in this new NCF, when was this NCF launched?
Last year.
2018.
When? लास्ट ईयर अपन उसका डेट भी याद रखे थे. इसरो कब गया था ऊपर अपना? चंद्रयान 3.
July.
23. Which month?
July.
No, August. So August 23, 2023, NCF was also launched on the same day. And NCF talks about the competencies. What are competency? English teachers, who are the English teachers here? My dear English teachers, gone? Madam, what is the meaning of competency? Competency क्या होता है? Any other teacher who can answer me? No worries, कोई भी answer कर सकते हैं. What is competency? Your which teacher? Pre-primary. Check on Google Mata quickly. Check करो. Competition नहीं, competency.
The fact of having ability and
Competition of knowledge.
The art of
the fact of having ability and the skills.
ability and the skills. Combination of ability and skills. How will you gain those ability and skills? How can you have this combo of both ability and skill? दोनों कैसे आता अपन को? How?
If we are doing any task, if we have that skills, we can do that.
Exactly.
Ability is the ability. What we are doing is how much ability we have, the strength, power. Yes, we can do that.
Right? समझ में आ गया सबको? ना easy है देखो competency. और एक अच्छा एग्जाम्पल दूँ मैं? अच्छा, you are all cooking at home? अभी लाइट चला गया आपके किचन में, मतलब आपके घर का लाइट चला गया, आपको किचन में जाने का है एंड आपका शक्कर का डब्बा निकालना है अंधेरे में. कितने जने जाके निकाल सकते हैं?
अंदाजे से.
कुछ भी अंदाजे से तो निकाल ले सकते हैं ना. कैसा है आपको एबिलिटी? कैसा है?
Using many times.
Yes. Practice.
I said already.
अब मेरे को ही सुना ही नहीं दिया, सॉरी मैडम. I'm a bad listener. So practice makes woman are born perfect. Okay, so like this, even in our education system, even in our class, we have to give our students. जोर से बोलो. And practice. इतना प्रैक्टिस कराना कि आधी रात में, अपने बचपन में अपने मम्मी डैडी बोलते थे ना, सुबह में नींद में से जवाब देना. टेबल्स कैसे पढ़ाते थे अपन को बचपन में? 2 1 2 100 बार पढ़ाते थे. 3 1 नहीं आता था, लेकिन 2 1 ही अच्छा आता था, या 5 तक आता था. 6 के बाद टेबल्स कभी भी नहीं आता था. सो दिस इज व्हाट वाज प्रैक्टिस, बिकॉज वी ऑल्सो वर वेरी क्लियर कि 2 to 5 बोले तो इजी हो जाता हो, मम्मी डैडी के बाद में नहीं पूछते बोल के. So this is what is competency. So आज के डेट में once again we have to go back. वो सालों साल पहले जैसे हम लोग पढ़ते थे या पढ़ाते थे अपन को, फिर से वैसे पढ़ाने का है. तो उनको बहुत सारा प्रैक्टिस कराना है, इसके कॉम्पिटेंसी बढ़ता. जितना ज़्यादा याद करेंगे, जितना ज़्यादा पढ़ेंगे. पढ़ाई अभी और कैसे कराना है होता क्यों? हाँ, so NCF has got new elements now. क्या बोलिए? With interaction. Why are we getting these boards now?
To interact with the student.
Yes. Just can I go back to the writing part? SB के पास? Don't close.
Minimize.
Okay.
No.
Here is your SB. But dominantly 3 groups में divide करते, because children learn from these 3 aspects very easily. So domains of learning. So one is ये लास्ट भी बोली क्या? प्लेवे मेथड. ओके, ये अपन लिखेंगे यहाँ पे, बट आई विल नॉट पुट इट देयर. प्लेवे, यस. दूसरा इंटरैक्टिविटी. यस, इंटरैक्टिव.
Visual and
Yes. Visual. Yes, like something came up. Audio. Kinesthetic. So broadly and broadly आपका जो ये बोले ना प्ले वे इंटरैक्टिव ये किनेस्थेटिक में आ जाता. Okay. Now audio learning we always play some audios to them. तो थोड़े बच्चे क्या सुन के सीख सकते. So they come under the category of audio. And there are certain students who come under the category of visual. अभी why is the reels so hit हो गया? Reels market में इतना hit क्यों हुआ?
Every time seeing same reels.
हाँ, अच्छा लग रहा देखने में and थोड़ा सा content याद आ जा रहा बच्चों को. Right? So this is how we have. But as a teacher, हमको क्या करने का है? We have to club all these 3 segments and make our class a more both active, interactive, practicable, audio, visual सब मिला के अपन को एक classroom बनाने का है. When you make a classroom like this, then do you think children will develop the competency or not?
Yes.
They will develop the competency. Getting it?
Yes.
Now, let us. I will just take a छोटा सा example. Children, today I am going to teach you swimming. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Very good. आज मैं swimming सिखा रही सबको अभी. स्विमिंग सीखेंगे या साइकिलिंग सीखेंगे अभी? स्विमिंग. गर्मी है मैडम, स्विमिंग करेंगे. बेस्ट. ओके, सब जने स्विमिंग करने का है. एवरीबडी इज रेडी? ऑल ऑफ यू स्टैंड अप. स्विमिंग कैसा करते हैं? हाँ, वेरी गुड. अरे आप टीचर भाई, मैं ऐसी पढ़ाती हूँ, मेरे को ऐसी आता. हाँ, सबको मालूम है कितना टाइम क्यों वेस्ट करती. स्विगी में मंगा लो, खा लेंगे. कितना आटा वेस्ट होता, मेरा टाइम वेस्ट होता, घी वेस्ट होता. 20 रुपए ज्यादा कहता कि उसको ड्राइवर डिलीवरी चार्जेस दे देंगे, मंगा लेंगे. तो दिस इज हाउ इट इज हैपनिंग. So when we are teaching our children without any kinesthetic, आप ऑडियो पढ़ा रहे, वीडियो पढ़ा रहे, लेकिन पानी में नहीं डुबा के उसको स्विमिंग सिखाए तो वैसे ही हो जाता. समझ गए? No, this is how our new tech methodology. से हम लोग ये बीच में कैसा हो गया था? हम लोग एक चॉकपीस, एक बोर्ड एंड अपना लेक्चर जो भी था, we were expecting our children that they do the best. और उसमें से मार्क्स आ गए तो बस. पेरेंट्स का माइंडसेट भी वैसे क्रिएट हो गया. मार्क्स आना तो इम्पोर्टेंट है. बच्चे को स्किल आ रहा नहीं आ रहा, मैं कितना अच्छा स्विमिंग सिखा रही जी, कितना अच्छा सिखाई. मैं परसों जा रही हूँ, अभी कल से मैं कोचिंग, सबको बच्चों को कोचिंग दे रही स्विमिंग का. कल से पानी में मेरे को नहीं मालूम, गारंटी वारंटी दोनों नहीं दे रही मैं पानी का. So, if you are not giving this practical experience, then our children will not be competent. Okay? So this is how we have to develop the competency teachers. So now this is your challenge, how you become the good teachers, where you incorporate all these 3 kind of a learning domains. मेरे को एक लेसन पढ़ाना है, उसमें लेसन में मेरे को ऑडियो चाहिए, वीडियो चाहिए एंड एक्टिविटीज चाहिए. So you are saying right, play way. This is what it is. Play way comes from kinesthetic. It comes from your interactive session. It will come from your projects. You ask me, right? What projects? No, why should I tell you, teachers? मेरा दिमाग में एक ही प्रोजेक्ट आता. आपका कितना ब्रेन से यहाँ पे? How many teachers are there in this classroom now? 30? एक 30 teachers, 30 brains. मैं एक ही टीचर को एक ही एक्टिविटी दे सकती. सबको सिमिलर दिए तो बोर हो जाते है ना. If I say एक बोर्ड ले लो भी, okay, let's take a साइंस एक्टिविटी. ओके, आई से डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, बच्चों को एक डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम ड्रॉ करके पूरा पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ कर दो. एवरी क्लास में आई एम गिविंग द सेम. कुछ अच्छा लगेगा सबको? बच्चों को वो क्लास में भी ये है, ये क्लास में भी ये है. आजकल के बच्चे कैसे हैं? डू दे लाइक द सेम थिंग? But if 30 teachers sit together and if you design your own curriculum or your own project, will that be the same or different?
Different.
Right? 30 brains. और मेरा कितना है? Only 1 brain, waste brain. waste.
Training to 30 minutes.
Thanks. But I can't give you beyond this, ma'am. मेरे को इससे ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं आता actually.
इससे और अच्छा
ये तो ज़्यादा है.
यही ज़्यादा है. So this is what is the power of a teacher. अभी थोड़ा सा आप लोग भी क्या करना, एक थोड़ा सा होमवर्क करना. एक बार जो न्यू मेथडोलॉजीज आ रहा है या जो बुक में ऑलरेडी हम लोग दे चुके हैं, उसको पढ़ो. Because reading is just not meant for the students, reading is meant for teachers also. I feel so bad. आजकल I'm not getting time to read. और जो भी थोड़ा टाइम मिल रहा, मैं भी आजकल एडिक्शन हो गया. किसका? सच में इतना एडिक्शन हो गया, वो देखते जा रही. इतना सोचती ना, I'm wasting my time, but I'm still doing it. Because I get some good information, no doubt, but फिर भी it is not that productive as I read a book. So for you teachers, thoda sa you keep yourself updated with what is happening by understanding our teachers' manuals. So competency comes like this. Ma'am, can we go back now? So wherever there is a mention of C, the C stands for the competency and CG stands for curricular goals. What is curricular goal? What is a curricular goal?
What are the things we have to take?
Huh?
What is the goal of today's lesson?
What is the goal of today's lesson? Very good. So basically, goal is nothing but the learning objective.
Activity.
एक्टिविटीज कौन सा कराना. वेरी गुड. हाँ, तो आप लोग जब ये लेसन प्लान पढ़ेंगे ना, तो उसमें आपको डोमेन्स देखा. आई मेंशन दिस डोमेन्स. दे आर 6 डोमेन्स, बट ब्रॉडली वी ऑलवेज डिस्कस 3. द अदर 3 डोमेन्स आर योर न्यूमरेसी, लिटरेसी एंड देन सोशो इमोशनल स्किल्स. Why सोशो इमोशनल स्किल्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट बच्चों के लिए? सोशो इमोशनल स्किल्स मतलब क्या होता है?
Meeting with other person.
Meeting with other people is social.
Knowing the curriculum.
Knowing each other. Now, how does it helps me to become social? Social है तो क्या होता? आज कितने बच्चे सोशल है? आप लोग कितना सोशल है आज के डेट में?
They can learn something to the others from others.
Right.
Good habits or bad habits of the family.
Good habits, bad habits, family knots.
And this can further knowledge also.
Knowledge also, and this will also easily transform our values, our belief system. मेरा culture, मेरा my values, my traditions, my ethics, all this will be transformed from one child to another child. इसलिए social connect is very important. आज मैं मेरे बेटे को बोले तो नहीं सुनता, लेकिन बाहर उसका सेम दोस्त कुछ बोले तो वो सुनता. तो दैट इज द पावर ऑफ सोशलाइजेशन. नहीं तो अपन पेरेंट्स भी क्या करते हैं, अपना बच्चा अपना बात नहीं सुने तो बाजू वालों को बोलते हैं, अरे थोड़ा आप बोलो ना, हो जाता ना, है ना. नहीं तो अपनी मामी को या अपनी बहन को बोल के या बाजू वाली को बोल के या दादी को बोल के, नानी को बोल के, मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहा.
It impacts them a lot.
It impacts them a lot. So इससे अपन को और के क्या समझ में आना?
It is must to socialize the child to
सोशलाइज. लेकिन अगर मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहा, सेम बात अगर मेरी नानी, दादी, मेरी बहन, मेरी बाजू वाली ये कोई बोले तो सुन रहा, तो क्या डिफरेंस आ रहा है वो?
Most of the time that the student or the child is spending with the mother.
हाँ.
But he won't listen to the mother rather than the teacher or any other cousin or the colleague, whatever is going to ask. Why this thing is happening?
Why? That's what I'm asking you. कितना clever? This is a clever lady. वही पूछी why? You're asking. Communication gap. I wanted this answer. Communication gap. It's matter of communication. There where we also talk about once again. Can we go back to ma'am? Our census. Sorry, I'm troubling you today.
Equal halves na. Split double
We'll come here. He also, as she rightly mentioned, what is that gap? Communication gap. Now we today talk about 4 C's. 4 C's किसमें आता है ये 4 C's? I told you last time also. 4 C's comes from?
Creativity.
नहीं वो 4 C's क्या मैं बाद में पूछती है. 4 C's किसमें आता? Which century are we?
Zen.
Which century? 20th. It's gone, madam. Today we are in 21st century. So this comes under the 21st century skills. 21st century skills में broadly 4 C's के बारे में बात करते हैं. One is the communication. Second is the what is that? Yes. Creativity. Other 2 C's.
Communication.
हो गया communication हो गया. और 2 C's. Quick.
Collaboration.
Hey, cheating baby. Collaboration. Okay. Collaboration. Next. Good student, clever student, 21st century student. Okay, बोलो दूसरा क्या है इसमें? Come on. See and tell.
Yes. Coordination. See and tell easy now.
हाँ बोलो see, at least see. See, where is the book? Did you get the book? देखो उनको चौथा सी नहीं मिल रहा.
Culture and ethics.
No,
Cognitive development.
no.
critical thinking.
Yes. ये सब उल्टा मारो. Critical thinking. Critical. Now teachers, I always ask this question in every session. What is the difference between creative and critical? What is the difference?
Creative and little bit difficult to understand. Creativity is to
So
make
problem solving.
Creativity means different ideas. We will get that.
Problem solving.
and
Yes.
critical
Critical is always about
difficult to
Problem
understand.
problem solving.
Yes.
ओके आपका दिमाग कब ज्यादा अच्छा काम करता? प्रॉब्लम है तो काम करता, नहीं है तो काम करता
जो काम करता है उसे सॉल्व करने के लिए
Yes.
निकालना चाहिए टाइम.
है ना? सडनली नया साड़ी होना कितना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. फेस्टिवल भी हो गया, परसों ही फेस्टिवल हो गया, फिर से एक साड़ी लेने का है. अभी ब्रेन को वो बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है या सोल्यूशन है?
Problem.
ब्रेन कैसा काम करता?
Fast.
Think about.
कौन सा कुछ तो करना है, मैजिक करने का है. तो चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो, आज के बच्चों को भी ये वाला स्किल चाहिए, क्योंकि घर में खाना पूछने से पहले मम्मी खाना खिला देती, स्कूल में आने से पहले अपन पढ़ा देते, वो लोग स्कूल से आने के पहले पूरा रील देख के पढ़ के आ जाते. फिर क्या करना अपन, कैसे पढ़ाना? We have to create problems for them. Create hurdles. प्लेन रनिंग अच्छा दिखता अपन को या हर्डल वाला रनिंग देखे तो अच्छा दिखता? ऐसा क्यों अच्छा दिखता?
और नेक्स्ट क्या हो सकता है उसके बाद?
उसके बाद कुछ नहीं हो सकता. हाँ जंप करा सकते हो, फिर उसके बाद जंपिंग कराना, लो चलना, शॉर्ट जंप एंड देन हाई जंप, या उसको जो जिम्नास्ट में फिर राउंड राउंड घुमा के जंप कराना. Right? So today's child doesn't want anything straight. उसको problems दो, वो लोग they are ready to solve the problem. That's how we teachers today have to create this problem solving skills. Why they? I mean, of course, maths starting में difficult रहता, but एक बार maths में problem solving आ गया तो बच्चे क्या करते हैं?
Easily
Easily they will start doing it, but if they don't get it, of course they leave it. So it is now that we have to understand that they love some problems. They want challenges. आज का बच्चा is not ordinary child. Actually, we are ordinary for them. We are ordinary. We are very ordinary people, ma'am. Even I am an ordinary for anybody. Because of my new generation, I think they are teaching much better sometimes. Okay, because they leave a problem to them. Now when I was entering, your sir said, इनको बहुत सारे questions है. Then मेरे को कैसे लगा? Problem solving. First we will solve all the problems.
For that purpose, you started solving. You ask everybody what are the questions are there.
Of course. See, मैं आके मेरा तो ये है. I know what I have to teach you. ये तो सीधा start करे तो आपको कैसे लगता था?
You start with the games, then you start everything. Yes,
है ना?
that's good.
So always I am as a teacher, you know what you're teaching. But आते ही हाँ okay, books open, page number, जल्दी से पेन ले लो, लिखो. आज क्या पर कल कहाँ पे स्टॉप करें अपन?
Get friendly to the children and the.
हाँ, 5 minutes. Give them that 5 minutes to catch them. That's the catch. फर्स्ट 5 मिनट्स उनसे बात करो, क्या हुआ, क्या करे, कल का नहीं करे, ठीक है छोड़ दो. मैम आई डिडंट डू माय होमवर्क. वेरी गुड. हु इज आस्किंग यू? आई टेल देम प्लीज क्लोज ऑल योर बुक्स. मैं एनी सेशन आई गो, आई टेल देम प्लीज क्लोज ऑल योर बुक्स. आई एम नॉट टीचर, आई एम नॉट गिविंग यू होमवर्क मैं लास्ट में देती, तब दिन अब पढ़ना कर जाके. So when you say no class, no homeworks, no books, कैसा रहता बच्चों का दिमाग में? हवा. कल से रोजेस आता अपन को, फिर देखो कैसा आता रोजेस. चुपके नहीं आता. आजकल के बच्चे चुपके नहीं दे रहे रोज.
Then while going, miss, you come next day.
Tomorrow please ma'am, you only come. Please continue next period also.
Miss, आज बहुत अच्छे दिख रहे.
लगा दी, पूरा लगा दी.
That is the famous sentence.
Oh, famous. And we miss become so butter. Butter, everything. अमूल बटर पूरा लग जाता ऊपर से नीचे तक अपन को. फिर पूरा दिन वो that child is my favorite child now.
Miss, game खिलाते next period.
हाँ, खिलाते रोज एक गेम खिलाते. I'll give you a small example. I was actually, I told you right, I also worked as a teacher. I did everything. So I was in school and उस दिन एक टीचर नहीं आई थी, तो सब्स्टिट्यूट पीरियड था. एंड मेरा पीरियड खाली था तो मेरे को भिजा दिया, बोले मैम प्लीज आज एक सब्स्टिट्यूट पीरियड ले लो. एंड इट वाज फॉर 5th grade स्टूडेंट्स. आई सेड ओके ठीक है, मेरे को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बिकॉज अदरवाइज आई एम ऑलवेज इन द लाइब्रेरी रीडिंग सम बुक्स. So I went to that class and I saw these children. लंच से एक पहले का पीरियड. तो बच्चे कैसे रहते हैं उस टाइम पे? डल हो जाते, भूख लगते रहता, अपना फेस देखते. उनको खाने का टिफिन के डब्बे में चले जाता पूरा. तो they were looking at me with the same face. Why did I come? And I'm not a regular teacher, तो मैं बहुत कम जाती सब्स्टिट्यूट्स के लिए. And that was not my class also. So they were looking at me very strangely. I gave them a big smile. I said, hi, how are you? What are you doing? What is your period? Blah, 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 blah. We had a lovely discussion. Then they started liking me. They said, shall I tell you a nice story? I said, okay, ma'am. Then I said, I'll do one thing. If you are not feeling bored or if you can come out with me, I'll take you to the car. We had एक बड़ा क्या बोलते पेड़ था, कौन सा इमली का झाड़ था, उसके नीचे हमारा एक एम्फी थिएटर बने सो था. वो बहुत ठंडा भी रहता था, इवन गर्मी में भी वहाँ पे अच्छा छाया आता. बोले वहाँ पे जाके वी विल टेल द स्टोरी. आर यू ऑल ओके? अच्छे तो कैसे हो गए? रियली एक्साइटेड. yes. Then I said थोड़ा लेट हो जाता because if the bell rings, आप लोग 5th क्लास के ना फर्स्ट फ्लोर में चढ़ना था उन लोगों को. I said can you manage? देखो फिर बाद में नहीं बोलना, आपका थोड़ा खाने का टाइम कट हो जाता. I said no worries ma'am, no. फिर भी मैं was conscious कि 5 मिनट पहले उनको बंद कर दिया. And then I said you are all rabbits, okay? Because I didn't wanted them to make that. ऐसा करते बच्चे वॉकिंग करे तो पूरा कॉरिडोर कैसा
हाँ, yes.
है है ना, कितना साउंड करते वो शूज तो ऐसा चलते जैसे कि वो शूज में पूरा म्यूजिक डांस अभी करने का उन लोगों को. I said, you are all rabbits and I'm going to tell you a rabbit story. How does the rabbit walks? Can you listen rabbit walking? And you are good rabbits, you are not bad rabbits. Actually, how, is rabbit a good or bad?
Good.
It's bad, it jumps. So how you have to walk now? No jump. You have to walk like a good rabbit. Now you imagine the rabbit is standing on 2 feet and it is walking. See, this is what critical thinking is all about. You know, you create that critical thinking. And I tell you, you all have to hold your hands one after the other, and then you all have to hold the hands and then walk. आवाज नहीं आना. Till we reach that theater, amphitheater. People should not know who's walking. So, मतलब voice modulation. Then that there comes how you do your voicing. People should not. You have to be quiet. मज़ा आपको? Act quietly. And I tell you, इतना भी आवाज नहीं करे बच्चे. Quietly they were walking like this. एक दो भी आए तो चिल्लाना नहीं. I don't shout. So my gestures, my act, my face movement teaches them to be quiet. And we all went there and literally I had that story for them. मैं थोड़ा सा plan कर ली उनको क्या बोलेंगे बोल के. Then I told them there was a Japanese rabbit story actually. Very pretty story, very interesting story. Then I started that story. Next day again, they came to me, ma'am, are you coming to my class? No way, I'm not coming. So this is how you have to create that rapport. This is how we have to create. I mean, if I say shh, no so, da da, बच्चों को क्या लगता है वो? It is so routine. Right? Like if I want you to clap, okay? All are feeling sleepy? No, नींद आ रहा क्या? अब अच्छा clap hand करेंगे, clapping करेंगे, finger clapping करेंगे, rain clapping किसको आता है rain clapping? Yeah, do it please. Start. Come on, guess it. Do it. Rain clapping. You do like this. Okay. So I'll teach you nice rain clapping today. Okay. So first. Take your hand like this. Take your one finger. Now you clap with one finger, all of you. Continue. Add 2 fingers. 3 fingers. 4 fingers. 5 fingers. 4 fingers. 3 fingers. Come on, keep doing it. Don't stop. बारिश पड़ती रहता है, रुकता नहीं. 2 fingers. 1 finger. रुकने वाली बारिश. अभी रुक जाती है. So you see, we have to be creative. Now this comes with the creativity. Always clap, boring. My child doesn't want anything routine. रोज रोटी खिलाओ नाश्ते में, बच्चा खाता? क्या बोलता? कुछ डिफरेंट. फिर क्रिएटिव मम्मी क्या करती उसमें?
जैम या फिर
रोटी लगाती, नहीं तो उसके ऊपर सॉस लगा के फिर आलू का करी लगा देती, या पनीर लगा देती, या व्हाटएवर चिकन लगा देती, खत्म. रोल कर देती हो, कट करती, एक रोल करती, बच्चे को समझ आता है.
एक रोल बना.
फिर इसको स्लाइड ऐसा क्रॉस कट करती या स्ट्रेट कट करती, उसे पुदीना डाल के देती. ओह, माय मम्मी इज सो क्रिएटिव. Getting it? So my child is very explicit child. आज का बच्चा, he doesn't want anything routine. He wants everything creative. Okay, so next time you are clapping. How are you clapping in the classroom?
same like this one is
Rain
clap. We will have flower clap at the end. Okay? Yeah. So now you understand.
Yes, ma'am.
बिना रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस के अगर क्लासरूम अगर एक गेम खेल रहे तो क्या हो जाता वो गेम.
Yes.
Getting it?
Yes.
So बच्चे क्या सीखते हैं?
Rules and regulations.
रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन सीखते, खाली गेम्स का नहीं, जीने का, रहने का, क्लास में डिसिप्लिन, उसके साथ अपन को क्या आ जाता? डिसिप्लिन. एंड उसके साथ और एक ब्यूटीफुल थिंग आता, कोलैबोरेशन के साथ एक ब्यूटीफुल थिंग बच्चों में आ जाता. वो क्या है? अटैचमेंट, बॉन्डिंग होता. वेरी गुड. एंड लर्निंग, ऑब्वियसली लर्निंग न्यू थिंग्स. ओके. और
Caring of each other.
one beautiful thing happens. Coordination is the topic. One beautiful thing, other thing happens with the bonding और एक new thing आता है.
Effective to the attract teachers से attach.
Faith on the teacher, trust the teacher.
Trust आता. Okay, trust is a new word. I can take that. And
Emotions.
emotion, yes, emotional expression. Emotion expression आ जाता. और one more thing, I'm looking for one word.
Goals.
Goal setting हो जाता, goal achieving हो जाता.
Creativity.
Okay, and there is one more thing, beautiful thing, I'm waiting for that.
Logistics.
Logistics, okay, taken. Logical thinking, okay. And I'm a very bad teacher. उनको मालूम है मैं कभी भी and बोल के विचारों का सब दिमाग खाली कर देती हूँ. Life skills, okay, taken. Life skills आ जाता. और एक ब्यूटीफुल थिंग बनता है. कनेक्ट बन गया. बॉन्डिंग इज नथिंग कनेक्ट.
How to do teamwork.
Teamwork बन जाता because we are saying rules, regulations, learning and all comes under the teamwork because game collaboration is teamwork. Collaboration is nothing but another word for collaboration will be the teamwork. Okay.
Self-awareness.
Self-awareness. Okay, I take this self-awareness. And
Competition.
competitive spirit. Okay. Competitive spirit.
Contribution to take part in achievement.
Not getting one. Discipline के साथ और एक वर्ड आता. ना अभी अपन एक गेम खेल.
Discussion.
नो. अभी अपन गेम खेले ना यहाँ पे.
Energy.
Energy.
Devotion.
Energy. No devotion.
Concentration.
Guidance.
Guidance. Concentration. Very good. Keep going. Keep going. अभी
Self-respect.
respect. Very good. That is the word I was looking for. So the collaboration always gives the respect. Respect for others, respect for you, respect for everybody. Now when we were playing the game, when we were playing this game, she was helping us. So how much respect we had for her that time? अरे बेचारे सबका क्लासेस भी चल वॉलंटरली करे अपन किसको नहीं बोले. शी इज वॉलंटरली कम एंड हेल्प ऑल ऑफ अस. सो यू हैव अ रेस्पेक्ट फॉर हर राइट नाउ. कहीं की रहता रे शी हैज हेल्प्ड अस. शी इज एक्सप्लेनिंग द गेम आल्सो टू अस. सो देयर इज एन रेस्पेक्ट डेवलपमेंट. चुप के रेस्पेक्ट मी नहीं आता. रेस्पेक्ट.
Give respect, take respect.
Yes. And when you give them this kind of a collaborative work, then they will start developing respect. Thanda normal nahi hai. How beautiful is collaborative working style. इसलिए बच्चों को जितना हो सके क्लासरूम में create some collaborative working atmosphere. Now let us do one collaborative working.
Yes.
Huh? We will do one collaborative work. बहुत ज़्यादा मैं I'm giving you lot of lecture, no? Yes. Okay. So how many teachers are here? Number count. 1.
2. Next 2.
हाँ. क्या? जोर से बोलो. हाँ.
6. 7.
Wait. हाँ.
10.
10.
14. 15. 16. 16.
17, 18, 19, 23, 24, 25, 27.
27. So 9 3 is 27, right? Or 6 4 24 6 5 30.
9. How many groups you want?
4 groups. Shall we have
3 groups.
3 groups? Each group will be 9. Too much.
8 we will take.
8 3s are 24.
Yes.
8 4s are 32. 6 कम हो जाता है. 5 5 is 25 ना. 2 हाँ 5 करेंगे. So we'll take a count of 5. Right. Okay. Before I start this, now give me some nice topic picks. एक 5 अच्छा topic दीजिए. कुछ भी. There is no relation today. यही normal है. Planting trees. Okay. Planting trees. Next.
Water bodies.
Water bodies. Save water bodies, is it? Save.
Yes.
Save water bodies. Okay, next.
Global warming.
Very good. Global warming.
Pollution.
That comes under
global warming.
Comes from global warming.
हाँ. करो पोल्यूशन करो, बाद में कट करेंगे ना. हाँ, नेक्स्ट. और टॉपिक्स. Teachers, everybody participate. Junk food, yeah, that's very important. Yes, junk food.
Healthy food.
Hey. No opposites. Anything else? अरे एक और 2 टॉपिक्स चाहिए मेरे को.
Discipline and punctuality.
Discipline.
This is very important.
Okay.
Community helpers.
Okay.
White plastic bags.
No, electricity.
Plastic bags. Plastic is very hot. Plastic. Plastic and
Community helpers.
huh? Community helpers. Okay, I'll take this. Community helpers. Next.
Deforestation.
What is that?
Deforestation.
Deforestation. Can we take it here? Global warming, pollution में आ जाता है deforestation. And बोलो.
She's saying
Tell me. Any other topic? Which is your favorite and you always love?
family. Festivals.
Festivals. Okay.
Dressing.
Next.
Family.
Family. Okay. Take it. Next. Next. One more last topic. Money. Beautifully. Why not?
Poverty.
Hey. Money is important, not poverty. You are very important. Money is equal to poverty only. If you have money, you are rich. Otherwise, you are poverty only. Next. Any other topic?
Dowry.
Aichi, that's gone long back. कौन बात कर रहे हैं आजकल dowry के लिए?
It's banned also.
Long back.
Secondary school I learned that.
Gone. Hey, you are teaching 21st.
Society, sorry.
Entertainment.
Entertainment. Yes, that is beautiful.
Save girl child.
Entertainment. अब भी अच्छा topic सारा. Save girl child.
फिर YouTube बोलते ना. YouTube, Facebook.
Entertainment.
Social media. Social media. Yeah, next.
Moral value.
Society.
Society over, right?
Society come under in social media.
On social media will take society also. Yes, anything else? Acha is a burning topics.
Parents attacks.
Girls attack. Terrorist attack. Yeah, that's beautiful. Terrorist attack.
Cyber crime you can add now.
Yes, cyber crime. This is very.
OTP.
This year comes in. Sorry.
Fitness, ma'am, fitness.
फिटनेस अभी देखो कितने अच्छे से टॉपिक आ रहा, न्यू टॉपिक्स अभी आ रहा। इमीडिएटली कभी भी बच्चों को स्टॉप नहीं करना, समझ गए? मेरे को एक्चुअली फर्स्ट 5 टॉपिक्स बस था एक्चुअली, बट इफ आई स्टॉप आई नो माय रेस्ट ऑफ द क्लास के पास भी ब्रेन रहता, उनका ब्रेन स्टॉप थिंकिंग. So now you see, these are the real burning topics.
Yes.
And these are not burning topics at all. अभी मेरे लिए, how many of you think that these topics are very important or these topics are very important now? But crime अभी मेरा ये burning है. Social media is really top topic. Terrorist is my top topic. Cyber crime is real topic here. Nobody is now thinking of save water. I'm thinking of crimes today. Pollution, money. These are the prime topics. Okay. So now we'll have a 5 groups here. So count of 5. Give me 5 count. 1, 2. बोलो जोर से बोलो. हाँ वैसे बोलना. 5. Very good, madam.
3, 4.
नहीं ठहरो, आने दो मैडम. 5 इधर 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4, 5 ठहरो. हाँ 1 you say 1.
फिर 1 is different, 2 is different. Okay. Then 3 ऐसा.
5. Okay. So all ones, all 2s, all 3s, all 4, all 5. वहाँ पे चले जाओ. चाय दो. हाँ चाय दो मैडम. सबके लिए है चाय. Come on, get up, madam. एक अपना ग्रुप बनाओ, ग्रुप के साथ बैठो. All 5 in one place, all 4 in one place, all 3 in one place, all 2 in one place, all 1 one place. Go. अपने ग्रुप के साथ बैठो. अपने इनके साथ ही बैठना अभी. अच्छा डिवाइड कर दी देखो मैं. है ना? अभी अच्छा कंफर्टेबल बैठे थे ना? Wherever you want, make a group and you're sitting with the group. Attack number 1. इतना बड़ा टॉपिक लेते मैडम. हाँ. Which number you want? Group 3, 5, 1 हो गया और 2. Money. Oh, 2 is money. Next. Family. Oh, madam. Hey, take some other good topics. Now, I will give you 3 rules. 1. You have to be very creative today. I don't like any ordinary teachers आज. So you can take, आप बाद में नीचे जाइए आराम से. You can check your white papers, crayons, colors, कुछ भी चाहिए pick up कर लीजिए, लेकर आ जाइए. 1. 2. You have to give me, you can browse your cell phones, no problem, because we are living in 21st century skills. We believe in audio, videos, everything. You can browse.
This is no phones in the school. Now the school is in the phone.
We are in the phone. We are in digital world. Okay, so you can browse. I want best of the points. And each team में there are 6 numbers. मैम आप 4 में बैठ जाइए मैडम. आप 4 टीम में उसमें बैठ जाइए 4th टीम में. We see that we are reaching 30 students. 30 students are important to me. एक बच्चा मेरे लिए, every child is important, but all 30 are the best for me. So in such case we can have, this is a method called as a scaffolding. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Scaffolding में क्या करना? ऐसे peer groups बनाओ, उसमें 2 इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे 2 weak students, 1 average student. Getting it? तो वीक वाला वीक स्मार्ट वाला वीक को पढ़ाता, ये स्मार्ट वाला वीक को पढ़ाता, इन दोनों पढ़ते गए तो एवरेज वाला हाँ yeah, last time I told you, right? So just keep doing that, ma'am, because there is no other big mantras. We have done domains of learning. So in this domains of learning के बाद भी अगर we need some more help, scaffolding is the best method of involving all your students. नहीं तो हम क्या कर सकते? If you take all the dull students with you, पूरे दूसरे बच्चे क्या करते? डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते, और डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो तो क्या होता? दूसरा अपना क्लास कैसा हो जाता? केओटिक हो जाता, पूरा अल्लरी अल्लरी हो जाता, फिर वहाँ से कुरम से देखते मैं कॉल आ जाता। हाँ, what are you doing? What children are doing? Not you are not doing, only children are doing. What is that? So this is very important for us. How do we engage both good students, average students, and the last benchers also? So this kind of a grouping will always help you. अभी देखो how many times we seen that in this classroom we have involved all the teachers some way or the other. सुबह से आप लोगों को engage रखे अपन, कोई भी बोर फील हुआ, किसी को भी लगा you are left out from the classroom, everybody got a chance to speak. And did you now let us understand how much was every teacher very good here? I saw one day, आपका ही नहीं, पूरा हाथ शिवर हो रहा था।
हाँ, इनका।
हाँ?
Yes.
फुल शिवरिंग हो रहा था, वो पेपर पकड़े थे, जिक 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 हो रहा था, राइट? हाँ, she was also not good at communication. She quickly wanted to come out from that particular place first. रहने दो। हाँ, my old student है तो भी वैसे रहता, थोड़े बच्चे रहते वैसे रहते. Even other old students also.
Yes, even I.
हाँ.
Because start off ना.
वो मॉर्निंग चेंज ही नहीं हो रहा उनका मैडम का.
I'm just stuck at that place. I can't. This what is happening? Then I just stop for a minute. Then I get relaxed. Then I can do my work. Okay.
And again also.
At that point, it can happen.
And again also you started with good morning, not good afternoon.
In my mind, it was working that only. It was there only. Just what happened just now. Then again it happened like that.
Exactly.
Just there.
So this is जब अब नाउ ये थोड़ा सा सोचने का बात है. As a experienced teachers, children, I would suggest, madam, take आपके बच्चे हैं, please ask them to be down because because they should not know our own and then they will start making fun of us. So that's one reason I don't have any problem with the children, because this is our own session. बच्चों को भी मालूम पड़ता है वो मेरी मम्मी भी ऐसी थी, उनकी टीचर ऐसी थी, फिर अपना रेस्पेक्ट कम हो जाता. So that's one reason. So as a teachers, आप लोग जब यहाँ पे आए तो you felt that difference, right? Some kind of a consciousness आ गया था यहाँ पे आते. There was a fear factor also. There was an anxiety also when you stood here. There was a self-correction mode also. No, इतना बोले तो मैं इतना नहीं बोलना. Internal corrections were happening. Internal analyzation was happening. There was lot of no mistakes. I shouldn't do mistake वाला कॉन्सेप्ट भी अंदर से अपना चल रहा था. I should be perfect. Rather बोलने का क्या है? I should be perfect. उसके चक्कर में कितने मिस्टेक्स करें वो बाद में मालूम पड़ा अपन को, right? So when as a teachers, as a grown up, when we have this anxiety issues, when we have this kind of an issue, now think about the young babies. मैं तो भी स्मार्ट दिखती, आप लोग उनको मॉन्स्टर दिखते है ना। तो उनको एक फियर रहता, गलती करते रहते, एंड एज अ टीचर हमारा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहता टू गिव देम दिस कंफर्ट फीलिंग, ठीक है, इट्स ओके, यू आर द बेस्ट. So always have that empathy for them. Getting it? Don't shout at them. Don't गुस्सा आता, very obvious, क्योंकि अपन को पास कितना रहता ना, प्रेशर रहता ना अपने पास, प्रेशर कुकर के जैसा, वो नीचे से फायर ऊपर से सीटी सब रहता, अपन को भी गुस्सा आते रहता. लेकिन क्या करना, अच्छा सा करके, ऐसा करके वी हैव टू सी दैट आवर चिल्ड्रन को वी आर गिविंग दैट कंफर्ट जोन. क्योंकि 2-3 बार इनकरेज करने के बाद थर्ड टाइम दे विल बी न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब्स, उसके बाद दे विल नॉट स्टॉप. बट इनिशियली डोंट रियली कॉल ऑफ, हाँ ठीक है आपको नहीं आता, ठीक है नेक्स्ट टाइम प्रिपेयर होके आ जाना, ठीक है ऐसे कर देना. But see, so many teachers, I knew half of the teachers were not good at communication, half of you were not presentable, half of you had bad body languages, half of you had was not coming out. कितना था, थोड़े बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट थे राजधानी के जैसा, थोड़े बहुत लोकल ट्रेन के जैसे थे. तो all these things we have to take same thing from our examples to the classroom example. Getting it teachers? थोड़ा सा just be conscious, क्योंकि हमारे बच्चों को आज के डेट में ना थोड़ा सा एक सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर चाहिए. दे आर वेरी गुड चिल्ड्रन, ऑफकोर्स ज़िद्दी हो गए, थोड़ा सा गुस्से वाले हो गए, थोड़ा सा लाउड माउथ हो गए, बट it is all because the ecosystem at home is not supporting them. So we will just give them some extra support, that's all. And if this internet is not working, wait, I will share the data. We'll take the data from me. Anybody can share the data? Oh, it's coming.
Its signals is not properly clear.
Okay. Oh, it's not there. Let us connect my hotspot. You have a major role. You know how much if you are an artist and if you keep your gallery and you sell your paintings, कितना बना रहे मालूम है? Modern art printers कितना बनाते? हाँ, quite a while. अपन से मेरे से आपसे थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही बनाते होंगे. It has changed, wherein we give you first May you will have a comprehensive lesson plan, wherein you can only see what are the curricular goals, what are the domains of learning, what are competencies, and number of periods required. In detailed lesson plan में first period it is all about introduction. So teacher's introduction is nothing but a warm up activity. जैसा अपन सुबह में एक warm up activity करें. So every chapter के लिए we have given you one activity. Okay. Then you will also be given what are the domains of learnings, and you remember all the icons. अपना textbook में पूरा icons है. All these icons you can see in domains of learning and curricular goals में exercises के type में दिख गया था. And then what are the competencies? Now in all, oh very good, thanks dear. Oh God, thanks. God bless you, mom. Okay. So this is a snapshot of the detailed lesson plan. So you can see how to introduce the concept, what is the methodology, You were asking me methodology, create your methodology. All this we have given you in your teacher's manual. And then what are the questions you can ask inside the classroom about that particular chapter? You don't need to wait for your brain, me, my brain, anybody's brain. We have this beautiful methodology which we have designed for you, and you can just quickly have a glance. You can prepare yourself in advance with that. You can prepare well in advance what kind of a questions you can ask and what kind of a probable answers you can have through that. So you have so much here given information. Okay, and if in this chapter at the first, do you have an activity or not? So you don't have an activity right in the first period. What are the material? Because there is no activity, no material required. So what is the formative assessment? Formative assessment is instant question answer is also your assessment. अभी मैं suddenly पूछी क्या सुबह से अपन क्या सीखे, right? So this is nothing but my formative question. So in between you can ask such kind of questions, and this separate questions are given in small boxes there in your teacher's textbooks में. And what should be the learning outcome? Now learning outcome is आज के date में at the end of a session, if I am asked feedback form to generate your own certificate. Now in the end there will be question, what did you learn from this class? What Hema has taught you in this class today? Right? So every time after you complete the session, you should ask this question. आज क्या पढ़े? 5 मिनट जल्दी कम कर, मतलब जल्दी ख़त्म करो. But if you ask this question, आज क्या पढ़े? अपन क्या सीखे? 1-2 words from your students that acts as a retention of the classroom. Retention हो जाता उनका, अरे आज हम ये पढ़े, है ना? जैसे अपने घर में अभी मम्मी बचपन में आप लोगों को जब कुछ भी काम कराना सिखाती थी, स्पेशली खाना बनाने के बाद फिर पूछती थी ना कैसे बना, एक बार बोलो. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन था, समझ में आया कैसे बना, एक बार पहले बोलो. वो बोलते अपन को याद हो जाता था ना, इट इज़ अ रिविजन हो जाता था. दैट्स अ रिविजन पार्ट. सो सेम वे वेरी सिंपली यू आस्क देम, यू रिमेंबर आज क्या पढ़े अपन, एक पॉइंट, एंड सी अपने बच्चे एक पॉइंट विल बी सो डिफरेंट. आप वो पढ़ाए भी नहीं होंगे लेकिन बच्चा और कुछ अच्छा भी समझा होगा उस टाइम पे. सो दैट इज़ द ब्यूटी ऑफ आस्किंग रिकॉल सेशंस, ओके, और रिविजन सेशंस. So you have all this information here on this pages, and you already know how to do this progress card, right? You have at the end of the chapter you have 2 boxes. One is for the teachers evaluation report आपका देना है. In one it is all about the learning skills. In the second box you are only correcting, giving them the sticks for their 21st century skills. Okay. Now we also discussed about what are sustainable developmental goals. Now what do you understand by sustainable developmental goals? जल्दी से उसमें देख के पढ़ के बोलो. What is sustainable developmental goals?
Overall growth.
What is SDG? SDG full form? Get it, very good. So you are attentive in my classroom. How many sustainable goals are there? 17. Who has recommended that? Who has recommended the 17 sustainable goals? Okay, you cannot see? United Nations. Okay, so United Nations ka there are 17 sustainable goals, out of which we may not focus on all 17, but whatever are important we do focus on it. Okay, no poverty, no gender equality and all. So today we have opened the teacher's manual for English. So English mein what are the key skills you have to learn? English में what are the key skills? Grammar, reading, writing, projects, listening, vocabulary. Okay, speaking. So you have LSRW skills. Basically we call it as a उसके साथ vocabulary and grammar. So we are focused more basically because it's an English teacher's manual. We have spoken about the LSRW skills, and then what are the instructions you can give accordingly. And you have very clear bifurcation of semester 1 and semester 2, how many periods are required. Okay, and then now this is a mapping with the concept. Now these are all the mapping with the competencies given by the NCF. And after this, wait, I'll show you. Now this is your detailed lesson plan. And in detailed lesson plan you can see period 1, intro, what are the question answers, what are the questions you can ask, this is an Arabian Nights story, very beautiful story, children will love this story. And then you have how to read this, what are the reading concepts, what are the questions you can ask in period 3, you have everything. Now you have dictionary usage here, you have a quiz out of it, and you have students are able to read the story, identify the word hunt. So everything is given here for teachers. There is a guide, there is a lecture discussion, to do activity, you know what to do now. There will be a discussion, there will be an activity, there is a repetitive practice, there is all repetitive practice because this is the end. You have quiz again, so many quizzes are here. And when you come to an end of this chapter, now जो भी activities, जहाँ पे भी we have mentioned you activities, here we have given you all that activities, how to conduct those activities. Okay? तो एक्टिविटीज़ भी क्या कराना है, कितना कराना है, क्या चाहिए, यू हैव कंप्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन. तो आपका अभी क्या रहेगा, आप स्कूल में आने से पहले या हॉलीडेज़ में बैठ के एक बार एटलीस्ट वन आवर इन अ डे और 20 minutes in a day, read through that. You may not remember anything now, but when you come back to the school, उससे एक दिन पहले अगर आप प्रिपेयर हो गए तो आपको पूरा याद आ जाता. And here we have given you some extra YouTube links also. If you click here, actually you will directly go to the YouTube channel, and we have some related links given which can be for pronunciation. This is about the phonetics.